The future isn't decades away. It's here, right now, quietly transforming our world, while most people never notice. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the technologies that once lived only in science fiction, but are now becoming part of our everyday reality. From AI systems that can think, to robotic assistants, brain-computer interfaces, self-evolving machines, smart materials, quantum breakthroughs, and medical miracles. This is not tomorrow's world. This is the world we're already living in. Welcome to real-life future tech you thought was still science fiction. Artificial intelligence. AI used to be a fantasy, a dream, a fear. But today, it's woven into everything around us. It writes. It designs. It diagnoses illnesses. It creates new medicines. It speaks in every language on Earth. The world's most advanced AI systems can learn faster than any human, solve problems we've never solved before, and create ideas that never existed. This isn't science fiction. This is today. Robotics and automation. Look around. Robots are no longer confined to factories. They're delivering packages, assisting in hospitals, farming crops, cooking food, exploring the deep ocean. Some even move, balance, and learn like living creatures. We once imagined robotic companions in movies, but now they're becoming real, and they're learning to understand us. Biotech and medical futures. Welcome to the age of engineered biology. Doctors today can grow human organs, edit DNA, heal injuries with advanced biomaterials, and detect diseases years before symptoms appear. We're not curing sickness. We're rewriting life itself. Augmented and mixed reality. Holograms were once fantasy. Now they're tools. We can wear glasses and see digital worlds layered onto the real one. We can touch holograms, control virtual screens in the air, collaborate with people across the world, as if they're standing beside us. We're not escaping reality. We're upgrading it. Quantum breakthroughs. Quantum computing, the most mind-bending technology humanity has ever attempted. Machines that think in thousands of dimensions. Computers that could break today's strongest encryption. Engines capable of simulating the universe itself. This is no longer theory. The first real quantum processors already exist, and they're getting stronger each year. Everyday future tech all around us. Smart homes that predict what we need. Cars that drive themselves. Wearables that monitor our bodies in real time. Materials that repair themselves. Drones that map cities. AI assistants that understand us better than we understand ourselves. We dreamed of the future. But somewhere along the way, the future arrived without asking. These technologies aren't coming one day. They're here now, quietly reshaping life on Earth. And in the next decade, this acceleration will only grow faster, stranger, and more astonishing. You and I, we're already living in the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment. Which tech surprised you the most? This is Quesnova. The future isn't ahead of us. The future is now.